Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lina Pavlova and today we are doing Refashion project episode 1. For today's project I'm using white blouse and heat transfer vinyl. And today I will show you how to give another stylish look for your existing blouse. So follow along and I will show you how easy it is to make this DIY project. You will need couple things like cutting machine, I will use silhouette, and heat transfer vinyl. I will use hot flex for this design. I was inspired by this artwork from Inguna Mainule. That's why I'm choosing it to create on my t-shirt. I drew this design on piece of paper and uploaded this picture to Silhouette Studio. Don't forget to adjust size and mirrorize image. Another design I want to print on my t-shirt is saying. You can choose your own saying, but I choose this time this one. Same as with previous design, adjust size and mirrorize and print it out. Both prints are printed out. I'm using heat press. You can use iron for it. Here you can see result. Do a little bit of change and you will see that you can wear this item again and again. You will look and feel good in it. Doesn't matter what's the reason, we can refresh it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click notification button and don't miss out next project. See you next week. Bye!